Today I teach transformation formulas. Suppose 2 sin A cos B given. 2 sin A cos B written in this form: sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 cos A cos B written as cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Suppose given 2 sin A sin B written as cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So apply this formula. Suppose any question given in this form: 2 sin 5x cos x. Here 5x A and x B. Formulate the formula 2 sin A cos B. So sin A plus B 5x plus x plus sin 5x minus x. Solve sin 6x plus sin 4x. Next, sin 10 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 50 degree, sin 70 degree. In this question, value of sin 30 1/2. Sin 10 degree into 1/2 sin 70 sin 50. This question written as 2 multiply and 2 divide. Here 1/4 sin 10 degree. This 2 sin A sin B cos A minus B cos 70 minus 50 minus cos 70 plus 50. So 1/4 sin 10 degree cos 20 degree minus cos 120 degree. So 1/4 sin 10 degree cos 20 degree minus value of cos 120 minus of, so 1/4 sin 10 degree cos 20 degree minus and minus make positive 1/2 degree. So 1/4 cos 20 degree into sin 10 degree plus 1/2 sin 10 degree. Make this part divide and multiply by 2. So 1/4 1/2. Here 2 sin A cos B. So sin A minus B 10 minus 20 plus sin A plus B plus 1/2 sin 10. Here 1/4 1/2 into minus sin 10 degree plus half 1/4 sin 10 sin 10 sin 10 in bracket suppose this question may be written as minus sin 10 degree plus 1 by 4 plus sin 10 degree. 10 cancel out here. This question gives 1/16 as answer. Find value 10x 10 pi by 3 minus x into 10 pi by 3 plus x 10x into apply the formula 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b into 10 pi by 3 plus 10x upon 1 plus 10 pi by 3 into 10x. Here 10x into 10 pi by 3, so 10 60 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10 60 into 10x into 10 60 plus 10x upon 1 plus 10 60 into 10x. 10x into 1060 root 3 minus 10x upon 1 plus root 3 10x into 1060 root 3 plus 10x 1 plus root 3 10x. Solve this equation. In this situation, takes sign negative. Here 10x, apply the formula root 3 square minus 10x whole square. Here 1 square minus root 3 whole square. Here 10x, here 3 minus 10 square x upon 1 minus here root 3 10x whole square, 1 minus 3 10 square x. Multiply 3 10x minus 10 cube x upon 1 minus 3 10 square x equal to 10 3x. This is the solution. Solve the question. Sin 12x plus sin 4x. This question may be written in this form: sin 8x plus 4x plus sin 8x minus 4x. This situation take place a plus b and a minus b. तो साइन ए प्लस बी प्लस साइन ए माइनस बी, 2 साइन ए, 2 साइन 8x cos 4x. Other question. Two sine 75 degree cos 15 degree. Here apply the formula 2 sine A cos B equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. This question, sine 75 degree plus 15 degree plus sine 75 degree minus 15 degree, sine 90 degree plus sine 60 degree. Value 1, here value √3/2. Suppose any question in this form, 2 cos 105 degree cos 15 degree. Here apply the formula 2 cos A cos B equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. तो cos 105 degree plus 15 degree plus cos 105 degree minus 15 degree. Here cos 120 degree plus cos 90 degree. Cos 120 minus का half, cos 90 0. Value of this question minus half. Suppose question in this form, sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D, to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Suppose many question in this form, sin 80 degree minus cos 70 degree. This question may be transfer either of sin either of cos. Suppose sin 80 degree minus cos, so cos 90 minus 20 degree. Here sin 80 degree minus sin 20 degree. Apply the formula sin C minus sin D, so 2 cos C plus D by 2, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. 2 cos 50 degree into sin 30 degree. 2 cos 50 degree into half. 2 and 2 cancel, gives cos 50 degree. Solution of this question. Find value sin A minus sin C whole upon cos C minus cos A. Apply the formula sin C minus sin D to 2 cos A plus C by 2 into sin A minus C by 2. Apply the formula cos C minus cos D to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Here sin A minus C by 2, sin A minus C by 2 cancel out. These two cancel out. So here cot A plus C by 2. Suppose any question in this form, find the value of sin 20, sin 60, sin 80, sin 100 degree. This sin 60 gives the value root 3 by 2, sin 20. Here sin 100 degree into sin 80 degree. Multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So root 3 by 4 sin 20. Here 2 sin A sin B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B apply. So root 3 by 4 sin 20 cos 180 minus 1 plus cos 20 degree. Root 3 by 4 sin 20 degree. Sin 20 multiply minus sin 20 degree plus sin 20 cos 20 degree. Multiply and divide. So root 3 by 4 minus sin 20 degree 1 by. Apply the formula. In this situation, apply the formula 2 sin A cos A sin 2A sin 40 by 2. This is the solution of question.